Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to annotate doors and windows following the Czech code. So there are several information you need to provide in your project about doors and windows. The first one is the height and the width of the leaf. The next one is the height and the width of the opening itself, which is usually, well, it should be bigger than the leaf itself. Then you usually provide the number of the door, which is right now 42, but it could be 01. The code for the door, door, and then you should provide the leaf direction. In this case, this door is right. How to decide if it's left or right? By the Czech code, when you look at the door from the side where you have the leaf or the hinges, and you look at the door, if the hinges are on the right side, the door is right. If it's on the left, they are left. So in this case, we have to look from this side. Hinges are on this side, so it's right. In this case, we look from this side. His hinges are on the left, so it's left. Let's say, for example, these doors, when we look from this side, hinges are on the right, so they are right. So let's try to annotate, for example, this door. So the first thing we need to annotate is are the distances to other walls there. So go to annotate, aligned, change it from wall center line to wall faces, change it from entire walls to individual references, and I start here, then I find the reference of the opening of the door, then this one and that one. After that, we need to provide the opening height. So we click on tag by category, we click on door. It automatically created a tag, but right now we don't want to use this one, but we want to use opening height. So you can change it here and move it under this dimension. Perfect. The next thing we should provide is the height and the width of the leaf and also this circle. The first way is pretty simple. We just tag it and it automatically selected the tag called complete set circle. Be careful during the creation, because if you turn on a leader line, you need to move it after it. So if you are using this complete set with the circle and also dimension, uncheck the leader line, and if you want to have it on the other side, you have to select it and select another side. So if it's side 1 or side 2, select side 1, like this one. Perfect. Sometimes you might not have enough space there and you need to create it separately the height and width and also this circle. So in this case, we can again create a tag, but this time we change it to tag called circle. So I just move it here. If we want to, we can check leader line, and we need to create another one called leaf dimensions. So just move it here, and again we have a complete annotation here, but we can move it separately, so if you need to, you can use it this way. Right now we need to edit this dimension, so we click edit witness lines and add some more witness lines here. If you want to finish it again, just select opening height, move it down here, and we need to change the leaf direction. This time when we look here, the hinges are here, so it's left. And when we look at these doors, the hinges are on the right, so they're right. So like that. If we want to change a number, we can here, or if we click on the door, we can change it here. And let's annotate a window. So let's say we create a new window. Let's change the height and the width. Oh, much. Let's change the sail height. So what do we need to annotate? So we go to measure. I spot this reference, that one, this one, and this one. Now we should again annotate the height of the window, but also the sill height. So again, we click on annotate, we select the door, move it down, then we create another annotation, another tag, and we change it to circle. We move it here. In this case, we turn on the leader line. We can edit it a little bit. And if you want to move the start point, you change attach end to free end, and we can move it. If you need more space here, you can change it from circle to pale. The same goes for doors, I think. So right here, yeah, right here it's rounded, but it works in a similar way. And I think that's it. So I hope you learned something, and see you next time.